be a tough skull to crack. The far western approach is guarded by watchtowers. No easy back way in. Your friends are held in the center. That's also where the Hierophant is keeping his new gods. Then we have the front gate, heavily fortified with siege devourers in front.
So how do we get in?
Front door.
Didn't you just say it's heavily fortified?
I also said the siege devourers are out front. A good place for scaring people off. A bad place for actual defense. We grab them first.
And how do we know you won't just turn on us?
Dead God's mouse. You do not understand us, do you?
I understand enough. You're animals. Savage animals, and I will dance on your graves.
Fear rots her heart.
Do you blame her?
No. She was a prisoner of the Char. Now she is a prisoner of her fears. Until she can conquer them, she is no good to any of us.
Alors c'est la dernière mission de Char. Elle est très rapide aussi, presque aussi rapide que la première. Moi je ne défends pas les dévoreurs, ça sert à rien. Le mieux c'est d'attendre ici que le Saurus arrive. On va prendre beaucoup de dégâts quand même ici. Bon, le problème c'est qu'ils ne sont pas décidés à attaquer. Les chars qui nous touchent. Pourtant ils n'ont pas de visibilité mais ça passe. L'handicap, il aura très peu de conséquences. Je fais comme ça pour que le Saurus ne soit pas focus. Et comme ça, je peux passer avec un seul. On peut ignorer les rôdeurs à partir de là. Le temps de tuer un pack de mobs, enfin de nettoyer un côté, l'autre va finir par mourir entre temps. Pour finir la mission, il faut tout tuer. Même si le boss meurt, ça va pas terminer la mission. Je bourrine un peu parce que je sais que sur cette mission on peut largement se le permettre. Bon, je suis avec un personnage en moins, mais tant pis, j'ai la flemme d'aller jusque là-bas, ce serait trop long. De toute façon, c'est la faute de mes héros qui ne l'ont pas raise. Et une fois qu'on a fini ce pack, la mission est terminée. Et le côté de char aussi.
My brothers, Pyre Fiershot has freed you from the Hierophant's yoke. Unite beneath our banner, and we shall overthrow these false priests and their false gods. Ron, you are a fool. Warriors, do not trade one set of shackles for another. I will not lead you, but I charge all of you to spread the lesson of this day. There are no gods for the Char. Let that be the message. There are no gods! There are no gods!
I'm surprised.
A storm is coming. The shamans will not go down easily. For a while, it will be safer to be elsewhere.
You're the hero of this revolution.
Revolutions eat their heroes. I may return, but for the moment, I am content to fight at your side. So, the little mouse comes to apologize.
One good act does not redeem your people, murderer. I want you to know, I do not like you. I do not forgive you. But most of all, I do not fear you. I hate you. There's a difference.
That went well.
Yes, it did. The little mouse is learning. She is learning indeed.
is what we're up against.
I know where that is.
The Great Destroyer has a huge army at its disposal.
I know where that is.
And it will take every dwarf still living to find its lair.
Curse me for an apprentice, I know where that is.
You've been there?
I've been to the Central Transfer Chamber. That cavern is adjacent to it. The big statue practically bleeds magic. That's why we built the chamber there in the first place.
If we know its lair, we can strike against it.
It is still going to take everything we have. I will put a call out among my people.
And Ula should have the bugs worked out of her golems as well.
The Ebon Vanguard will help.
Ogden, gather your warriors. This battle involves all of us. We will help.
That is appreciated. But we need one more thing if we are to stand a chance. We must go to the heart of the Shiver Peaks. We must summon the Great Dwarf.